Alright, time to pick another Amazon mystery box to go through. These are the mystery boxes we sell in my store. We sell them for $55 a piece. So far we've gone through a blue one, a white one, a black one and a white one. We haven't done a blue one yet. This feels like a good one. Let's see what we get. The goal is to go through the mystery box and try to make a profit by selling the items that we find inside our store and on eBay. We've got the Amazon mystery box. We are going to track the value of it in my software, and we're going to open this box and see what we get. This is an Amazon mystery box. It's packed by Amazon. It's got liquidation product in there. Some of it's new, most of it's new, some of it is returns. Sometimes you get 5 products, sometimes you get 200. We don't know. Sometimes you get laptops, sometimes you get drones, sometimes you get party supplies. This time it looks like a mixed bag. Doesn't look like a great box off the bat. Well, we've got some Conair stuff down there. Let's have a look at that. If I can get it out. Well, it's taking up most of the box, actually. Alright, so it's some type of sonic facial brush. It's a little bit crushed. It is not a return, so it's brand new. And so we're going to go ahead and scan the UPC over here and get a value for it. Get it out on the shelf so we can get it out of my store. So it comes back at $45.99, decent. So $22.99 is the price. Let's get it out there at $19.99 so we can move it faster. List item. It's going to put the item in my inventory, and I use Square for that. And yeah, let's move on to the next one. What else we got down there? This looks interesting. I'm going for all the interesting stuff first. Oh, these are KN95 masks. These are actually very expensive. So let's see. We're going to go ahead and scan the FN SKU, and because it's an FN SKU, it's Amazon's internal barcode system, so I cannot pull any information from that barcode. So what I do is I scan the barcode and I'm going to send the photo to my AI, and my AI is going to look at the product and decide what it is, do a photo search on Amazon and bring back comps for me. So this one came back at $24.99, so it's going to go on the shelf at $11.99, and it's as easy as that. So right now we're at $31.98 from a mystery box that we sell for $55, and we've barely even touched any of the product yet. So let's go and put these in the system. I believe we already have these out on the shelf. Let's see. Yep, we do, and they're listed at $1.49. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 of those. Alright, so they've all been labeled and they are ready to go. We had 14 of those, so that brings the total to $52.84. So it doesn't look like this is going to be a great box, but we're going to get through it and get the stuff out on the shelf and start making some money from this stuff. So this is a case of Pepsi's. So let's see. I love this system because the AI just goes and grabs the comps and tells me what I need to list it at. So it's come back at $3.99, telling me I need to list it at $2.99, because we like to give people anywhere from a 25 to 25 to 50% off discount based on the brand and how fast the system thinks it'll sell. So we've got a bunch of bin items in here, so let's go through those. So 1, 2, what is this? Shoe charm. Okay. They're little shoe charms, so we'll get those out and put them in a baggie so people can see what they are. So, don't know what that is. Bin item. See, it's good to have bins in our store because it allows us to just process all these small things really, really quickly and get them out and give our customers a really good deal. So what else we got? Bin. This is oh, that's funny, I used to sell these a long time ago. The aerators for your sink faucet. Good product to have. So these are black hooks. Don't know what that is. Oh, okay. We could probably use these actually. We'll use these in our store to display stuff. What else we got? That's a backpack, so these are going in the bin. What's this? Might be a necklace. Let's see. It is, yeah, it's a necklace, so let's have a look at that. Or is it? It's not. It's literally just a black bag. Ain't nobody got time for that. Going in the trash. More aerators, more nails, more of these little things. Okay, so we've got probably, and more of these. True charms, so probably got like 20 more of these hooks, so that's good. 20 bin items. I'm going to label them and count them up, and I'll let you know what it came to. Okay, so there ended up being about 16 of those, so now the box is valued at $98.33. I'm actually going to put, we got a bunch of these. These are retinol eye sticks, hydrates and brightens, smooths and firms. Looks like a Chinese brand. It's not to say that it's a horrible product, but I just don't really like having this type of product on my shelves. So we're going to go ahead and put these in the bins too, and I'll get back to you. So there were 14 of those, so now we're at $133 for the box. Now we've got 2 of these, and they are backpack for men or women. Let's have a look. Okay, so they're like one of those side packs. So there's one. These are cool. So I think I'll put these in for probably for $10 a piece. We'll see how they do. Alright, they are listed now, $9.99 a piece. And we are now at $153.31. So, you know, this box is taken, we just found another one of these, so let me just quickly label that. This box has taken me about 10 minutes to process, and we should do about $153 off it. So this is a crochet set, crochet kit. So we'll scan this and we'll see if we can get a price for it. I love this system. It makes listing so much easier. This was a nightmare before we built this software. It was all built with AI, which sounds easy, but it was not. It took weeks and weeks and weeks, and it's still taking time to get done. So this is going to be put in at $6.99. So the AI went and got the name for it, got the comps, got me a good fair value price for my store, and then Bob's your auntie, we got it listed. All right, let's see what this is. Oh, I like stuff like this. This can go straight onto my shelf. It's got a nice little display. Okay, let's get a price. They've got UPC codes. What's the date like? It's dry goods, so Best by 26th of July. So we've still got a couple months on these, so that's good. And then let's see. I can put the price straight on the front here. Let's see what it comes back as. Yep, $4.96 and $2.49. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to put the Best Buy in. So 07, 19, 20, 26, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. And that's it. Actually, I don't want to use those. We're just going to go create our own label. And there we go. Paste. This is a really cool feature too. I can just go and create any kind of label that I want. I actually want to put a price on that. So how much were they? $2.49. $2.49. There you go. I'm just going to put that straight on the front. Actually, I'm going to put both because the price is bigger. There we go. Alright, and they are ready to go. And then that, I believe, is the end of that box. So let's see. Yep, end of that box. Let's see where we ended up. And we ended up at $177.74. So not a fantastic box, but you know, we've got a good variety of product going out onto the shelves, so I'm happy about that. Nothing, unfortunately, going onto eBay. But yeah, that's it. That's an Amazon mystery box.